Alright guys, so a couple videos prior to this one, I told you guys that I bought this saw kit. So it's finally arrived, and it's quite heavy. And from the outside of it, this is what you'll be getting. These are the different sizes. 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8. So far, you get a 21 piece total Bi-Metal Hole Saw kit, and that's the picture from the outside. And again, this one come with a lifetime warranty on the tooth rip guard. So I guess that it's not gonna break. And here, this is what triggered me to buy it, made in USA. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it around, take a look at the case wise. Looks pretty good, I have to say. I think I got this for $69.99. Regular price is like $169, so out the back is like save $100. I don't know how true that is, you know. But like I said, if I see discount, you know, I can't help myself but just to buy them. So we're gonna unbox it and we go from there. There we go, Milwaukee, and then we're gonna open it from here, this way. Voila, there we go. Oh, so this thing was out of place. It's supposed to be somewhere down here. Down there. Oh, this thing was moving inside of it. Huh. Okay. All right. Can you guys see it? Even inside this case, as you can see here, all these saws here that were moving around, so they're like, you know, beating up on the case housing right here. So I think it should have been better, or what they could have done is they give us like something that we can screw this on, so that way it holds this down and it doesn't make damage to the inner side of the case. As you can see, with all this over here, it fall off like that, and when you pick up the case, it goes in and out, and it, you know, and it's over here, it's worse here too. But this is what you can get. This is all the bit. Okay. Oh, maybe you put it right here, so that way it doesn't go all over the place. Okay. And let's count if it's 21 pieces. So inside here you got 3 right there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The case would be 20. Where's our 21 piece? I don't know, but I don't count 21. Okay, and I don't know how they count 21. Maybe they count it differently, but that's pretty much it. You can see here, let's take a look at it. This is a 3 5/8. Milwaukee. Let's put these back over here, put these bad boys over here, and put this, where does this go? This one over here, maybe this one goes in here. Nope. This one goes here. Okay, there. That one, no, that one's goes there. This one goes here. Okay. Unless they count this as another piece right here. But oh well, that's what we get. So let's see. This is the big ones. Focus. There we go. Milwaukee. This is the other one for the smaller one. I was looking to see if it has anything that says made in the USA, but I don't see it. Because I know even with the Milwaukee, a lot of their tools already been moved to China. But as you can see, the outer box does say that it's made in the USA. Even this one. This one says 3-inch. Milwaukee. And nowhere do you see made in USA. This is the biggest one. I think this is like 5-inch. It is 5-inch right here. 5-inch. Again, no such thing as made in the USA anywhere. All right. The teeth are pretty sharp. Thought I had a cut. Okay, so there we go. There you have it. This is the kit that I just bought. Like I said, I plan to install some recessed lighting in my kitchen. So that's why I bought this. You know, hopefully, and then maybe to use it for other stuff too. But if it's whether the manufacturer price is correct, $169. But when I see $100 discount, I couldn't stop it. You know, and it's just something that I have to buy. Do I really need it? Nah, not really. Okay, what did I do wrong? Okay, gotta close this before I can do that. Okay, close that. Let's close it back up. There's 2 clips right there. Here. Okay, so turn around. Milwaukee. Okay, pick it up. Okay. There you go. See? All right, guys, so that is it for the Milwaukee unboxing. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave in the comment below. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next video.